Good morning kids, Sai Ram. So today we are going to make a very interesting drawing of Buddha. So today's our topic is Buddha painting. Here we start. See like this, we will write Buddha painting. We are going to draw in a standing way. Full page we are going to draw face of Buddha. See from where I am starting. From middle we will start drawing hairs of Buddha. That is, this is the hairline, a big M shape, small letter M shape, like this. Then this is the hairline of Buddha. See this curve from both the side, curve lines. From up, an oval shape. This is hairs of Buddha, like this. Now this line continue down for making face of Buddha. See here you can first draw the details like eyes and nose, and afterwards you can draw face. That will be easy for you. Now I am drawing eyebrows. See how eyebrows you have to make. See how eyebrows you have to make. First a curve line, then little mountain type shape from up. Bring it down. Make a thin nose. How much thin I have made with U shape. Make this much thin, then only it will look nice. Then make nose shape. Try to make exactly same like this, then only it will look beautiful. For eyes, make leaf like shape. Make your double line and fill with sketch pen itself this double line. Other side also leaf like shape. Make double line and fill with sketch pen itself this double line, because eyes are closed of Buddha. Here I am making big tilak like this. Then here U shape and lips. See like this face. Ears. So ears of Buddha are always big in size, long. So make long ears. How much long I have made? See, starting from head till neck, and this design inside the ears. Here you have to make a scroll design. See, like this you have to go on making in full. But how much big I am making, make that much big. Otherwise it will not look good, because you have to shade in every this design. In each design you are going to give two shade colors. Okay, so make how much big I have made. Don't make more big also, and even don't make small. Make it medium size. How much big I am making. Then you have to adjust your this design till the line outline you have made of hairs. So in full this part you have to make same design, filling the gaps. Fill all the gaps with this design only. See, in the small gap I am making this design small. Accordingly you also adjust when you are drawing like this. You can, I am using your blue sketch pen, but you can use black sketch pen. Black sketch pen more good. So I am filling all my gaps with this design, small and big. Adjust by yourself. Gap should not be there. Fill all the gap with this design. Now upside I am making small scrolls. See how. Here in this part you have to make this small design. How much small I am making. You have to turn one time only here. Now fill here also all the gap with this design, adjusting by small and big design. Try to make this small at corners, not in middle. go on making the same design to fill all the gap. Like this, slowly do. Like this, I finished hair part. Now neckline starting from ear line, put lines little from both the side. So like this our drawing is finished. Now we will start coloring. So here I am taking red, brown, orange and yellow. Only these 4 shades we are going to use in full Buddha face all over. First I am starting with brown shade. See where I am doing brown, you also give there. If you will follow same how I am coloring, then your Buddha will look very beautiful and excellent, because this shading is very nice. Now take red. See brown how much I have done, little only. See till where I am red doing, till eyebrows line. Then from other side also I am doing brown. See till how much I have done brown, that much only space you do brown. Then merge red in brown and bring it forward by merging and do till eyebrows line. This much red. Then orange, merge orange in red. See then little part I have done orange, little only do orange. Then middle part with yellow. Now see how yellow you have to do. See how yellow I am doing. First I am doing in middle, then on all the colors I am doing yellow. On brown also, on red also I am doing yellow, so that our all the colors will be merged with a layer of yellow and it will give a very nice look. Understood? Now in down, nose line, middle line, outline nose with red first from both the side, and then fill with middle part with orange shade, middle part with orange, and then pack with yellow like this. Now the space above eyes I am filling there brown shade, above eyes brown and red shade only. So the space which is above eyes there always give dark shade, not light shade, because above eyes our skin tone is dark. See in face also how much brown I have given, little only. Then red you have to do till eyes line, eyes line you have to do red. So in cheeks you have to do yellow more, on the cheeks you have to do yellow more. See orange also little, then leave more space for yellow here. Then again you have to do yellow on all the colors, red also, brown also. Do red or yellow color on all the colors like this. Other side also do in the same way. Now nose, remaining part, there again red and orange shade, here also red and orange shade. So in this U shape, brown color, and see in this Buddha painting use oil pastel only, then only it will give nice. Don't use your wax crayons. So other side also I have done same shading, brown, red, orange and yellow. That same color you have to bring in chin also. Now in lips I am giving brown shade lips. For giving dark effect, take dark blue shade, little only take dark blue. If you not done that, that's okay, but if you can do, it will add more effect, it will give more nice look. From both the corners little dark blue I have done. Now in eyes, both the eyes do yellow shade. First give yellow in both the eyes, then take brown and lightly you have to do in both the corners and spread with your fingers brown shade in yellow shade. From both the corners do little brown lightly and spread with your fingers. Like this eyes you have to do. Now in ears again brown, first give brown border line like this, then take orange directly. Don't use here red in ears because we don't have that much place for shading for using four colors. So here we are using only brown, orange and yellow like this. Other side ear also same way. See neck also I have used all the shade in neck, brown, red, orange and yellow. So the way we done in face. Now here eyebrows I have done with sketch pen itself. I have filled with sketch pen itself. Now in ears I am using only brown and yellow. Here I am using only brown and yellow. First do that design with brown outline and then color with yellow. First see do that outline with brown, that design, and then do yellow on all over design. Like this I have done. See I have already done on all the design only using two shade brown and yellow. So our painting is looking nice, right? Buddha painting. You can fill background also with any light shade. Okay, hope you enjoy.